Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again. DET Practical English Teaching. Well, this time I'd like to explain you about how to use to have in simple present tense. In simple present tense, we can use have for I, you, we, and they. For the third person singular, we must use has. I have, you have, he has, she has, it has, we have, they have. I have black hair. I have black eyes. You have brown hair. He has a big car. She has white skin. It is a dog. We have good schools. They have black hair. Mr. Smith has a big car. John has a small car. Nancy has a big car. We have a big house. They have a big car. I have a bicycle. John has a good car. Well, I hope that this video is very useful for you. If you like it, you should subscribe, give comment, and share. Thanks for watching.